What's up, everybody? Welcome back. How to draw a snake, a cobra, particularly. I don't think it's a king cobra, different type, just standard cobra. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, I is just this like crazy circle staring into your soul. So it's just big circle curving around here. There's always something creepy about animals that just have these big circle eyes. Well, maybe it's just me. I don't know. Then we have a circle inside for the pupil. Color it black, leave a shine. So what we'll do is we'll just leave a white space there. You could always add white paint on top as well if you're more comfortable with that. Okay, so around the eye is kind of like, it's kind of thicker black because he's got like these sort of skin areas, I guess is what you call them. So it's like a thicker black line, like so. So then we'll get the general shape for the head, right, and the mouth. So the head like goes up, and we can go in these sort of angled lines because he's got like lots of scales and stuff, and this comes all the way back down the neck eventually down to there. Head comes around here, and then of course we have that little gap that they have there, and then the mouth line comes down this way. Eventually comes to a scale here, and the mouth bottom comes across, bumping around to there. Creepy already. And they have that little piece of skin that joins their sort of mouth together. It's like a translucent sort of thing. Twitches like the gum line or something here. So then we have the tongue coming out, right? So it's got this little sort of skin flap kind of area here. And then the tongue will hang down. You could stick it out. You could do it any way you wanted, really. I'll just do like what's in the picture. Right down there. Real long forked tongue. Real pointy. And back up. Into his mouth, into here. You could have like this center line kind of going back up this way. Right, and the chin will come out from underneath. Back up here, kind of going down onto the neck. Right, so then a couple of fangs, like you can just see sort of bottom of that fang on the, it comes on the inside of the mouth, right? So then it's like on the other side of the mouth over here, like sort of goes around the back. Let's say, where would it be? Let's say here somewhere. And then we got that skin line on the other side, and there can be like texture lines on these and stuff. So like another mouth line back here. Okay, so we got like a big nostril sort of here. Dark inside. Like that, and then we have to break up the head into all these scales, right? So coming around the eye, we've got this sort of frowning scale. Comes around the top of the head here. right? And then we have these ones that come around the eye here. Right, and then around here, you're just breaking up the space into all these different sort of blocks. It's like a jigsaw puzzle or something. And then he's one right in the front of the nose. Comes down that way. And then that way. To there. And this goes in towards the nose. Now, yours don't have to be exactly like mine, obviously, because snake patterns are different depending on the snake. You just kind of keep breaking it up until you're happy with the situation. Okay, so this way on the bottom as well. All these overlapping, they start to overlap one another all the way down. Doesn't seem to be much at the front, but we'll add it anyway, I think. Right, so his neck, right, sort of comes down here. And this has like all these steps of scales, so kind of like mountain range or something, and then the fins that kind of stick out on the side are kind of bumpy here. Okay, and then we can see more of these. These are more like spiky now on this side. And then they come like that, and then the other side here. So we kind of become these more scaly things. There, and then like steps again. So coming down, say here, and then they come around his neck, right? So So I kind of like step out like this. Right, so it's like armor coming down, like so, and then these are all sort of scales on the side of the body here. And on this side too. Just repeating patterns. Like that. And then it seems we've got like a pattern coming down the side like this as well. Just like skin or something inside here. And then a repeating pattern inside here as well. So all these scales and textures and stuff. Skin flaps. You can put textures on the armor if you want. You know, stuff like this. Just to make it so it doesn't look completely smooth. Okay. But that is basically how to draw a cobra head. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.